Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So Epic Games has just announced Fab, a one-stop marketplace where you can discover, buy, sell, and share digital assets. Fab is designed to bring together all the other marketplaces they've acquired over the time, such as the Unreal Engine marketplace. But here's the best part, Fab isn't limited to just Unreal Engine creators. It's a comprehensive platform for creators using Blender, Maya, Unity, and even Unreal Engine for Fortnite creators. With Fab, you'll have access to top quality assets, plus a treasure trove of things for free. And here's a game changer. Creators can earn 88% on any product sold. That's right, 88%. That's the highest revenue share in the industry right now. Now, before diving into all the details, let's talk about Megascans. If you've been waiting to grab those assets, now's your chance. There were rumors about Megascans being available for free, and while some scripts circulated, those are no longer valid. The best time to claim them is now. You can easily click to claim all the Megascans and use them across any engine or tool. With Fab's launch, Epic Games has made all Megascans available for free to everyone under Fab's standard license until the end of 2024. This means you can access over 17,000 assets from the original Megascans library, plus 10 additional packs released at launch, and any new Megascans published before the year ends. Claiming is simple. Just head over to Fab, click claim, and everything will be there for you to download. It's that easy. But that's not all. Now, what happens when these assets become paid? Any Megascans you claim for free on Fab are yours to keep under the Fab standard license, even after they transition to a paid model. This is a fantastic opportunity for creators to build their asset libraries without incurring initial costs. However, starting next year, users will have to pay for individual assets if they haven't claimed them for free by the end of 2024. Reports suggest that assets could be priced around $1 each, which adds up quickly. So, if you're a creator, it's in your best interest to claim these Megascans while they're still free. There's also a free Substance 3D toolset up for grabs. Check the link in the description for 6 months of free access to Substance Painter and Modeler. To qualify, just publish a listing on Fab or make a purchase over $25 and you'll receive a code for your free access. Moving on to Fab itself, this platform is indeed fabulous. It unifies every marketplace Epic Games has acquired over the years. You might have heard some chatter about these marketplaces closing down, but that's not entirely the case. For instance, the ArtStation marketplace is still active and you can find content there. If you head to ArtStation, you'll see they still have plenty of assets available, so don't hesitate to check it out. The same goes for Sketchfab, an amazing platform for both free and paid assets. You can browse through categories like cars and vehicles and view your selections just as you would typically do on Sketchfab. Right now, you can claim a vast selection of Megascans for free until the end of the year. But here's the exciting part. Epic Games has confirmed that there will still be a variety of free assets available on Fab even after 2024. This means that creators at every level can keep accessing top quality resources without stretching their budgets. Exploring Fab is a seamless experience. The marketplace is thoughtfully designed to help you quickly find exactly what you need. You can filter assets by categories and tags, plus you can check out newly added content. As you navigate through, you'll discover a diverse range of assets, including textures, models, and environments that can truly elevate your projects. But that's not all. Fab also embraces a community-driven approach. Creators can share their assets and showcase their talents, fostering a vibrant community of digital artists and developers. This collaborative spirit inspires everyone to create even more stunning work, making Fab not just a marketplace, but a thriving hub for creativity. If you enjoyed this video, check out this one where I talk about some of the best animations I found this year. Anyways, that's all for today. Make sure to subscribe for more updates and let me know what you think of Fab in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.